Alright, so welcome to binary to decimal conversions. Remember that binary is a base 2 numbering system, so that means everything is going to be in the 2 structure. And what I mean by that is, let's assume we have a number like that. On the far right, we always start with the number 1, and we just double it. That'd be 8. That is the same as 2, 2. How many 1s are there? And those should both equal 16. But how did we do that? That's the important part. So if we are going to take this number, for example, this right here is being the max number that it can be. Here, we're going to notice that our second bit is a 0. So we start with 1. And we don't add this guy. We add the 8, the 4, and the 1. And that should be 13. In networking, the biggest thing is we do groups of 8 bits. That's 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128, respectively. So when you add up all of these numbers, or 2 to the 8 power, we're getting 256. That's how many numbers are possible. But if you add up 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, that's going to equal 255. Because you have to remember, we are going between 0 and 255, which is 256 numbers. So do keep that in mind. So let's do one more conversion real quick before we go. So again, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. We're going to add the 128. We're going to add the 64. We're not going to add the 32. We'll add the 16. We'll add the 8. We'll add the 4. We'll add the 0, or the 2. We will not add the 1. So 128 plus 64 is 192, plus 16, plus 8, plus 2. And that would be our number. So what is that? 128 plus 64 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. Again, we're leaving out the 1, we're leaving out the 32. 8, 12, 18, 24, 28, so 30. Carry the 3, 3, 2 is 5, 6, 11, 12. So the number 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 in binary equals the decimal number 220. But what happens if we want hexadecimal? Hexadecimal, we group these in groups of 4. But I want you to stay tuned for that one.